Friends, here I will be talking about index and slicing of Python strings. See, we already know what is a string in Python. So simply, Python string is a sequence of one or more characters. See, suppose here I am defining two variables with the data as string in this way. And here if you observe, first string consists of number of characters and second string consists of only one character. Anyway, now these two are strings. And here, once if you define your string in your Python, by default, Python will give some positions for each and every character which are there in your string. Now suppose if you take this as your string, then Python will give some positions in this way. So P is first character in a given string. That's why Python will give position as 0. And Y is second character, but for that position is 1. Likewise, it will give positions in this way. And here, if you count in your string, we have 12 characters. That's why Python is going to give positions from 0 to 12 minus 1. And these positions are called positive positions. So actually, these positions are called index or indices. Index values are simply indices of your string. Now Python will also provide negative index numbers for our string in this way. And if you observe, positive index values are from left to right and negative index values are from right to left. So positive indexes starts from 0 towards length minus 1 and negative index values starts from minus 1 and up to minus length. So here we have 12 characters, so minus 1 to minus 12. So finally, these are positive index numbers and these are negative index numbers. Now be clear, if the length of your string is n, then index numbers are from 0 to n minus 1. They are called positive index numbers, and minus n to minus 1, they are negative index numbers. And here, using these index numbers, you can get particular character of a string or some part of your string. That is nothing but slicing or extracting your string from a given string. Now first let me go with how to get particular character from a given string. See, suppose if this is your string, then suppose I want to get, let's say, first character. So first character position is 0. Then if you print your string in square brackets 0, then it will give first character. Now let me go with practice so that you will get idea. Suppose I am defining my string as, let's say, Python -3.8.6. You can take any string. Now first I am printing simply your entire string using your print function. Save it and run it. Yes, you are getting. Now I don't want to get entire string, but I want to get only first character in my string. So first character index is 0. Not only for this string, for any string, first character index is 0 in terms of positive. Now let me print in square brackets 0. My string, square bracket, inside of that 0 index. See the result? Yes, you are getting P. And here, instead of directly printing your particular character using print function, you can store that into a variable. Let's say my string some index value. You can take any variable. I have taken simply my string index value. Suppose index 0, what is the string, what is the character in a given string P, that I am assigning into this variable. Now I will print that. See the result? Yes, you are getting. And suppose after that in fourth line I am trying to print your entire string. See the result? There is no change in your original string. Once again I am telling that your strings are immutable. Whatever the operation you are doing on your string, it won't affect original data. That's fine. Now suppose I want to get, let's say, third character, that is T. Third character means index value is 2. Now let me comment these two. Directly I am printing my string third character, that means index is 2. See the result? Yes, you are getting. Not only positive index values, you can also take negative index values or negative index numbers. Suppose I am taking First let me find length of your string. Yes, 12. Now if I take my string of -12, say negative index numbers in this way, you have to remember this logic. Negative index numbers starts from minus length, or it will give from -1 to minus length from right to left. So whatever the way you like, you just remember in that way. That's fine. Now I am printing -12. -12 index value is nothing but your p only. Yes, you are getting that. Now here one more important point is, if we go with the positive index numbers and if you print your string with 0 index, that is always first character in a given string. And if you go with your negative index numbers and if you take -1, that is always last character in a given string. So these two concepts are very important while implementing your real-time scripts. That's fine. Now not only that, you can take any index number in terms of positive or negative. Now if I take -4, -4 means from right to left fourth character, that is 6 is 1, dot 1, 2, 3, 4, again dot you will get. See the result? Yes, you are getting. So these are the ways to get a particular character from a given string with the help of index numbers. That's fine. Now let me go with your next concept, that is slicing. So here slicing is nothing but extracting substring from a given string or extracting sequence of characters from a given string. See, if you go with index number using this syntax, you are able to get only one single character. Now using slicing concept, you are going to get group of characters, sequence of characters from a given string. So for this slicing, this is the syntax. Simply your variable in square brackets, you have to write start index, colon, end index, colon, step. So here all these three are numbers. Now let me go with practice so that you will be good with that syntax. Very simple. Now let me comment this existing code. Now I am taking our same string variable, myString equals to python -3.8.6. Now here we know simply if you print myString, it is going to get complete string. And if you print your string with a particular index, it is going to extract that particular character based on index number. So here fourth index means fifth character in your string, that is O you are getting. That's fine. Now let me do this syntax, myString 0 colon. Observe the output. 0 means starting index, first character. From first character towards right you are going to get all characters. Now instead of 0, suppose if you take 2, then from second index means third character, you are going to get all characters towards right. See the result? Second index, third character, that is T in your string. Towards right you are going to get all characters. So using slicing concept, you are able to get sequence of characters. Fine. Now suppose if I try in this way, myString colon, then let's say 5. See, I did not mention starting index, this index, but I mentioned end index. Observe the output. So before going to get, whenever if you mention end index, how many characters you are going to get? So for that, anyway, if you don't mention any starting index, by default that is 0. From 0, 5 minus 0, 5 characters you are going to get. Don't get confused. You are not going to get your fifth character. You are going to get 5 minus 0, 5 characters starting from 0. See the result? Suppose if I mention here 2, let me take one more syntax. Print myString 2 colon 5. Start from second index, that is third character, then 5 minus 2, what is the difference? 3. 3 characters you are going to get. Be clear on that. Fine. Now Same syntax I am taking, myString 2:5:1. So if you mention third number, that is first step. Now first observe the output for your last two prints. Same result you are getting. That means by comparing these two syntaxes, you can say that step is 1. So what is that step? See, let me explain here. What is the difference between two successive indexes? 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. Not only there, even if you take minus 1, minus half, minus 2, 1 index, 1 is the step. So by default, step is the 1. And if you mention step, what will happen means, first it will print second index character. After that, 2 plus 1, you are going to get third index character, that is H. Yes. Then now you are on 3. 3 plus 1, 4 you will get 0. That's what you are getting here. Now suppose if I take in this way, print myString, I am taking 0 colon, let's say 7. So if you go with this syntax, you are going to get starting from 0, 7 minus 0, 7 characters you will get. See the result? Yes. Now even if you mention step as 1, then there is no problem. By default, step is 1 only. What happened? Yeah, I missed ending square bracket. See that? You are getting. Now instead of 1, suppose if I take 2, save it and run it and observe the output. You are getting only 4 characters. Previously, let me write those 2. This is 1. Same syntax with step as 2. So now if you are clear with this step 2, then you can understand for any step. See here you are getting PTO hyphen. So first of all, start from 0. 7 minus 0, 7 characters you have to get. But be clear. Start from 0. Yes, 0 is nothing but P, character P. Then step is 2. 0 plus 2. What is the step? That is for index 2. T you are getting. Now T index is 2. Now we are on 2. Now to get next character, you have to add step 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Yes, O you are getting. Now you are on O, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Yes, hyphen you are getting. Now you are on 6. 6 plus 2, 8. But your limit is 7 only, right? Here. That's why you are going to stop there itself. That's it. Fine. So this is about using positive index numbers. Now let me go with the negative index. Suppose I am taking myString. Let's say minus 3 colon. So from minus 3 index towards right get all characters. So minus 3 means 8. Towards right 8.6. See the result? Yes, you are getting that. Now let me print in this way. Print myString. Let's say colon minus 3. So start from 0 index. Start from, by default, if you don't mention any index, then that is by default 0. Start from 0th index, print up to minus 3. So start from 0 up to minus 3 means, see the result? Yes. So anyway, you won't get for minus 3. If you remember, if you mention simply 7, you are not going to up to 7, right? Just before that. That's what you are getting here. Then let me give some step here. Print myString. Suppose I am giving, let's say, minus 12. Then up to minus 3. Anyway, by default, your step is 1. You are getting that. Now let me give step as 1. Still, you are going to get same result. Instead of plus 1, suppose I am giving minus 1. Now see the result. You are not getting anything because from minus 12, step is minus 1 means minus 13. You are not having any characters after minus 12. That's why you are not getting anything. That's fine. Be clear on that. Now let me comment this entire code. Now see, very important point for your interviews. See, if you print simply myString, or if you print myString with 0 colon, you are going to get your complete string. or even if you print simply myString with 2 colons. Now see the result. You are going to get same output for all these cases. And anyway, here even if you mention step as 1, entire string with step 1, then still you are going to get same output. Now instead of taking step 1 here, suppose I am taking step as -1. This is very important. Save it and run it and observe the result. You are getting your string in a reverse way. So this is very important point for interviews. So simply they will ask how to reverse a string with one single line syntax. This one. So most of the people will go with the loops concept, but this is very simple syntax with one line. Okay guys, now based on your slicing syntax, these are the possible ways to use slicing concept. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.